Earlier today, convicted double murderer Alex-Murdaugh was back in courtroom, this time in federal court, pleading guilty to his charges.
J.R. Berry joins us in studio now with the details on today's court appearance. J.R.
Yeah, ladies, we heard something in court today that we haven't heard before. Alex-Murdaugh saying he wanted to take responsibility for his crimes. He pled guilty to 22 federal crimes related to his schemes to steal millions of dollars from his clients, money laundering, and bank fraud. This is video of him walking into the courthouse this morning. Now, cameras not allowed inside a federal courtroom, so we do have video from last week's state court appearance in Beaufort you're about to see. In his jail jumpsuit today, Murdaugh stood before a federal judge saying he wanted to take that responsibility so the people he hurt can begin to heal. Prosecutors will ask that any federal sentence Murdaugh gets runs at the same time as any prison term he serves from a state court. Right now, Murdaugh is serving a life sentence for killing his wife and son, but he's also facing more than 100 state charges, accused of stealing money from clients, from his law firm, and other charges. That trial date has been set for November 27th of this year. His sentencing on the federal charges will be coming up at a later date. Also today, Murdaugh's attorneys made a statement on their request for a retrial. This comes after State Attorney General Alan Wilson responded last Friday as part of the appeals process. Murdaugh's attorneys have accused Colleton County Clerk of Court Becky Hill of jury tampering. They want a new trial. Wilson says that Murdaugh's request was procedurally defective because the attorneys didn't clearly state when they learned of any jury tampering, and they did not provide a required affidavit. Murdaugh's lawyers responded today saying they should not have to provide an affidavit and that they had no way of knowing of the tampering during the trial. But when all was said and done, they provided that affidavit anyway. We're still waiting to find out if a new trial will be granted on the murder convictions. Of course, we'll keep you updated both on air and online at WLTX.com.